To make this painting, we need 5 food ingredients. First is tea leaves for the background, coffee powder for the outline and darker shades, beetroot for the lotus, turmeric for the shawl, Patharchatta leaves for the leaves drawing. First we'll start making the sketch on the canvas. Once the sketch is complete, we'll start extracting the color from the ingredients. I have mentioned the process in the description below. Do not mix water with the beetroot and Patharchatta leaves. Your painting is ready. Thanks for watching.